In 2014, I went to New York for the first time. I tried these donuts over there. They were at this place called Dough. Growing up, I'd always liked donuts, but I'd never eaten a donut like that in my life. Hi, I'm Maha Jawed, and I'm the owner of Easy by Fatsos. I spent about a year and a half perfecting the recipe for the donuts that we sell at Easy today. The idea of bringing donuts to Pakistan was a very personal kind of decision, because I always used to feel like the donuts that you have abroad and the donuts that you have in Pakistan are never like, there was never a comparison. It took me over a year and a half to actually perfect the recipe. The idea essentially came down to Easy being a place where you come and eat when you don't care about anything. I feel like what essentially Easy does is that it takes regular food. A pizza is a pizza, a hot dog's a hot dog, but I've just added my own twist to it. If you're doing something, be original, be a trendsetter, like make trends, don't follow trends, and that has always been my philosophy in terms of how I work, and I suppose that's what I would say to other people who are getting into this business now.